Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to another episode on stress. So, there were there was lot of study which was conducted on stress management. There were a group of people, professionals, CEOs. All these people were once called for a discussion on stress. So, when CEOs of an organizations of various organizations was conducted an executive program, these people were interviewed and asked that, "Do you feel stress at work?" CEOs told, yes, we feel stress at work because at day in and day out we undergo a lot of stressful conditions because we have so many things to manage. So they were asked, how did you feel about the stress? They told that if we do not take any stress, then we don't think that we will be successful in our professions. That is a reason we tell to ourselves that stress is good. If we tell to ourselves that stress is not good, it will be very difficult for us to survive in our positions. So, always there is a programming, there is a self talk which is going on that stress is good because we are able to meet our deadlines on time. So, the same thing was asked to other kind of executives, and they told that they undergo a lot of stress, and due to that, they had a lot of other health related issues, okay, even psychological issues and health issues like irritation of the stomach, headache, body pains, etc. But the people who have defined that stress would be good for them, okay, such a stress which is very good for them, which gives a positive beneficial effects on their body, they named it as eustress. Okay, eustress is nothing but it is not like something where they are facing any negative situations, but they are facing the positive things from the stress. So that they called it as eustress. Means they are happy by the stress which they are receiving from the office and their work. But the people who defined that stress is a bit more psychological impediment for their work life, they call it as distress. Distress is nothing but they are facing a lot of stressful, strainful situations in their work. So this kind of stresses has also been defined by the people. So this is like most of the times what happened medically, if you look at the stress, whenever you are at a stressful position, like you are speaking and you are doing a lot of office work, there are certain hormones which are released in the body. These hormones are called cortisols. Okay, these cortisols are very useful for the maintenance of certain parts of the body. They do the maintenance of certain part of the body. Okay, so even the research was conducted on the monkeys also. The monkeys who are actually kept away from their parents and they are given a lot of stressful conditions. They were subjected to certain pain, and their lifespan was observed after few years. They become more independent, they become more active, they became more powerful, vibrant compared to other monkeys which are gone with their parents. Okay, so it is all about how we define stress to our life. Okay, so still, though we have doing a lot of self talk, though we have a lot of positive thinking in our mind, there is something, there are certain processes which you need to understand in order to eradicate the stress from internal of your body parts. Okay, because stress is reserved at some points. Whenever I do my office work also, it has been seen that whatever positive self talk I do, at some point of time in my life I have taken the reserves of stress, and these reserves of stress has not been released. So we have designed certain programs, certain processes which would be really helpful for those people who have reserved stress. Okay, this reserved stress, why I'm telling is that though I do a self talk now that stress is good, but my previous experience with stress was bad. So initially the body will take the example, or it will take the memory of the past thing which has been happened in my life. So that has to be removed. Once that is removed, it is again the self programming which we do for ourselves, which will usually help in the removal of stress. If you do not remove the past stress which is available as a storehouse in your body, what will happen is that again when a stressful condition is facing, though you may try to do a positive self talk, at some point of time you may feel stress. So what I am trying to tell is that there are certain scientific processes which I have designed, okay, which would help to remove the stress from your mind, the stress from your thinking process, the stress of office which you are taking in your day-to-day activities. If you are really serious of removing the stressful conditions from your life, download my process, okay, which is available in the link below, and which would help you to remove these processes, remove the stress which has been reserved in you from so many years. So see you guys, this is Umakant, your life coach and mentor. We'll catch up in my next videos. Bye guys.